Good morning. My name is Gautam Mahendru and I'm from IDA Business Solutions. Today I'm going to show you the latest update of IDA pipeISO. Basically, I have in front of me a multidiscipline example which has piping, pipe routes, some equipments which are placed, structures, as well as the raceway trays and hangers supports, which are also part of a piping system as shown over here. In addition to that, there are certain spools which are created in this particular assembly. Like for example, when I highlight any one of the spool, it indicates the from to connection of the spool and which is it is connected to. So like that, I have almost 7 to 8 spools inside this system. And now I will show you how using IDA pipeISO you can create isometric drawings of these spools in one shot. So what I will do, I will start pipeISO and it will automatically list down all the spools which are there in the assembly. On the top hand side, for the settings, you can set what is the plant north. In case of shipbuilding, it can be port starboard, aft, and port. Drawings. Right now, ANSI and ISO, two standards are supported, which has many sheets, and also you have a option of user-defined sheet if these standard sheets are not, if somebody is not using the standard sheets. Then you have sheet width and sheet height. In case of user-defined sheets, you need to give width and height. In case of tables, you have BOM table, which there's an option selection between material list or fabrication and erection list. In case of material list, you'll get all the BOM components in one table. And in case of fabrication, it will automatically segregate fabrication BOM with the erection BOM. And you can also have cut pipe length list, weld list, hanger list, insulation list in the same drawing. At the bottom of the screen, I have notes. In this case, you can add if there are standard notes which are to be which has to be published on the drawing. You can select all of them and publish it, or you can add any standard note. For example, apart from these standard notes, there are certain key notes which is unique for this particular drawing. You can add it. So I can just say this is a sample note, and I can add it. So if you have to add many notes, then you can press this enter button, and you can then you can just add all the notes by pressing enter key. So say I want to publish all these notes, so I'll publish it in my drawing and I'll generate it. In case of title block, what are the parameters which you want to give? This is a customized title block. We can customize according to your internal requirements, and where you can give the contents of and the fields can change based on the requirement. And for example, this check sign is basically whether the value of the parameter has to be driven from the 3D or you can type it manually. That's the way I'm going to type it now. So I can publish this. Select the system name. System is nothing but the product name today, which will populate this system name over here. Except for marine, apart from marine water, it will show you the name of the assembly file. Okay, so once I have done that, I can select all of the assembly, or I can select manually a couple of spools which I wanted to generate. So let me select all the spools and I click generate isometric command. So what it will do, it will start fetching the data which is at the background, and it will start generating isometric drawing for each and every spool. So right now what you see over here, it is in the piping workbench of CATIA, drafting workbench of CATIA, and it will start extracting each and every spools and start creating isometric drawings in individual sheets, naming the sheets as spool numbers, and all the details which are generated automatically. So here you will see, the next spool information coming in the drawing, and also the end styles of the symbol, the tagging of the component, all are coming automatically. So we'll wait for a couple of seconds more to generate. There are close to 7 or 8 spools. Okay, so it has generated all these spools in separate sheets with all the information. Let's go to these spools one by one. So as you can see over here on the right hand side, fabrication and erection list are segregated. Also, it gives basically the bolt information which comes automatically from the file depending upon what are the flanges which are over here used. In this case, there are two flanges of different size and rating. That's the reason it will give you the size, length, and number of bolts which are required. And on the bottom side, what we just entered the nomenclature of the title block and the sample plant, which is the value it has taken from the assembly itself. And on the left hand side, you see these are the notes which are getting printed on the drawing automatically. Similarly, I have added this is a sample note. So this particular, all these notes are added automatically and in all the sheets. And coming to the content of the drawing, it gives where it is connected to in the next spool location and what is the next spool component, the reducer component, the valve, the elbow, and also the flange, gasket, and bolt information, which is indicated in the drawing, and the dimensions which are coming automatically, the tagging of the component on the drawing. And this particular flange is connected to equipment 352, and these are the coordinates of that particular connection. And this particular spool is continued on pipe pump 1 to pump 2 N1, which is the name of this one, and it will show uh, it is connected to pump 2 N1. So all the drawings are interrelated to each other, and all the informations are available uh, automatically in these drawings. Apart from that, in this case, we have got hanger details. There are supports which are on the pipelines and the dimensions of those with respect to the nearest piping component, and the instance ID of that particular hanger support. Similarly, there are certain pipes which have a hatching, for example in this case, or for example in this case, where automatically a hatch will come and the vertical and horizontal component is listed down along with the dimension of the actual length of the pipe. So these are all out of the scale drawings. Today, all the taggings are coming automatically and they are not interfering with each other. we have tried to take that care of segregating them in the drawing generation. So and on the top hand side, last but not the least, the north symbol which comes on the drawing. So these drawings can be generated automatically, and today we can support all the symbols out of the box which are in CATIA, types of walls, reducers, eccentric reducer, flanges, blind flange, caps, etc. So stay tuned to know more about this solution in coming weeks time. Thank you very much.